Alexander Koch, head of item administration for BMW I, said clients have been requesting this sort of vehicle. "I can let you know now we are as yet assessing it. The i8 is the notorious games auto of the new time," he said. The automaker refreshed the modular crossbreed sports auto for the 2019 model year. With its 1.5-liter turbocharged inline-three motor and electric engine setup, the model accomplishes an aggregate yield of 369 horsepower and 420 pounds-to-foot of torque. BMW gauges the car can achieve 60 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds, while the roadster can hit that stamp in 4.4 seconds. Koch said that BMW could make changes in accordance with the i8's powertrain to crash out more power. However, it could likewise put in an alternate motor if vital, he said. "There is a client need and want to have more power, and we will attempt to satisfy it while additionally keeping our DNA bona fide," said Koch. "Basically, the powertrain must fit in with the BMW I mark. You could put a V12 in there and it would be unimaginably capable, however would regardless it be a BMW I auto? We have to locate the ideal adjust." The report reveals an alternate insight into the i8, considering we recently heard that BMW may not make another i8 toward the finish of the present age. Talking with Autocar, BMW I supervisor Robert Irlinger said the organization is as yet choosing about the i8. The sub-brand's outline boss, Domagoj Dukec, contrasted the i8 with the brief M1 supercar, saying, "The i8 could be the M1, it doesn't need to dependably be a name at BMW. We generally give a response to what individuals and clients are requiring right then and there in time."